Hey everyone, ever wondered how things work in the universe? Well, everything is made of tiny bits called particles, and they're always moving. This movement is energy. Now, entropy is like measuring how spread out this energy is. Imagine your room. When it's clean, everything's in its place, right? That's low entropy. But after a week, toys are everywhere, clothes are on the floor, it's a mess. That's high entropy. Entropy is a super important idea in science, like physics and chemistry. It helps us understand how energy moves and why some things happen on their own. People often say entropy is like measuring messiness. The messier something is, the higher its entropy. Think of a new deck of cards. They're all in order, right? That's low entropy. Shuffle them and they get all mixed up. That's higher entropy because now there are many ways the cards can be arranged. But remember, entropy doesn't mean things can't be organized. It just means organizing takes effort, like putting energy in to tidy your room. Entropy is everywhere. It's why ice melts into water, why hot chai gets cold, and why it's easier to break a toy than to fix it. When ice melts, the tiny bits inside, called molecules, go from being neatly arranged to all spread out. That's entropy increasing. Same with chai. The heat from the chai spreads out into the cooler air, making the chai colder and increasing entropy. Entropy is super important in science, like physics, chemistry, and even biology. It tells us how things change naturally and how much energy we can use. There's a rule called the second law of thermodynamics. It says, entropy always increases in the universe. This tells us a lot about how the universe might change in the future. Basically, entropy reminds us that everything tends to get a little messier